For online admission in Narula Institute of Technology, firstly, you have to visit the official website of Narula Institute of Technology, that is www.nit.ac.in. Here in bottom, you will see a tab named Application for Admission 2020, Apply Now. Click on that tab. This will automatically redirect you to a form. You will have to fill up the form carefully. First, you have to register yourself in the portal. Here you can see new registration. Type your name, that is ALI, mobile number, and enter your email ID. Okay, an OTP will be sent to your mobile number and email ID. Enter the OTP here. I have received the OTP in my mobile number, that is 740286. 7, continue. You will see in the screen an application number and a password. The same will send to your mail too. Please note it down for the future reference. Now click on the next tab. Here you will see the level of program you are applying for. If you are applying for diploma, then click on diploma. If you are applying for BTech or undergraduate course, then click undergraduate, and for postgraduate, click postgraduate. I am here applying for BTech in civil engineering, so I am choosing undergraduate. Now choose the course type, that is engineering, and the course is BTech CE. Select the campus, that is Narula Institute of Technology. Add the program and campus. You will see the program and the campus is added. Now here is a question: how did you came to know about university or college? Choose accordingly. I am choosing here newspaper. Admission category general, and do you want hostel facility? If you want, press yes or no. You put the no button. I am putting the no button and click on the save and continue. Okay. Success. Click on the next tab. Here is a tab named personal details. Here you have to fill your personal details. First one is date of birth. I am choosing my date of birth. 29 January 2000. Blood group, select A positive. Sex, male. Marital status, single. Caste, for general caste, you choose GC and other accordingly. Religion, you have to put your religion here. Nationality, it is Indian. Here you have to put your identity proof, your Aadhaar number. I am putting my Aadhaar number. Okay. Now your present address. Choose your country, this is India. State, West Bengal. District, Hooghly. Is permanent and present address are same? Yes. Guardian address same as permanent address. Put your guardian name. My local guardian name is relation. He is my father. So father. Now save it and press the continue button. Next tab is family tab. Here you fill your family details. First, your father details here. Here is my mother details. I have no brother and sister, so I am leave it blank. Family income per annum, that is 2,50,000. Association of any family member with JIS group, so no. Save and continue. Press on the next button. Here is your academic details tab. First, class 10 details, then class 12 details, and so on. For class 10, choose the board I am from state board student, so I am choosing here state, name of the school, name of the board, that is West Bengal Board of Secondary Education. Okay, passing year 2018, medium of instruction, that is Bengali, percentage 91.62, subject general. Now class 10, my board is state board also, name of the school, name of the board, West Bengal Board of Higher Secondary Education. Choose it from drop down menu. Passing year 2020, medium of instruction is Bengali, aggregate percentage was 85.69, city is Kolkata, pin code 700109. My board roll number was C32171G0048 and subject is science. Marking system is marks. Now you have to add your marks in the portal. First is subject, next is marks obtained, and third one is maximum marks. My first language was Bengali, that is BNGA. Marks obtained was 91. Maximum marks was 100. Now add marks. You will see the marks will be added in the tab. Now next subject is English, ENGB. Marks was 89 out of 100. Add marks. Then you see English will automatically added. Next is physics, PHYS. I got 94 in physics. Then add marks. Next is chemistry. My chemistry marks was 79 out of 100. Now I am adding chemistry as also. Next is math. I got 83 in math out of 100. And last one is biology. I got 92 out of 100 in biology. I am adding my biology marks also. Now leave diploma and graduation tab blank. In bottom of the tab, you will see a tab named entrance exam details. Put name of the entrance examination, that is WBJEE. My roll number is 20200415689. My rank was 7869 and the year is 2020. Now save and continue. Press on the next tab. Now you have to upload the necessary documents. First one is color passport size photograph. Its maximum size is 100 KB. Next is scan copy of class 10 mark sheet. Its maximum size is 600 KB. And last one is scan copy of class 12 mark sheets. Also its maximum size is 600 KB. Now I am uploading the documents. Let's choose the file. Photo, open. Next is class 10 mark sheet, 10th result, open. Okay. Third one is class 12 mark sheet, 12 result, open. This will take some time. Okay. The documents are uploaded. Now save and finish. Okay. The application is successfully submitted. And see the documents I have uploaded. Now go to the down tab and print the form. The form is ready. Save it in a PDF form. After successfully submission of the form, our executive will call you via phone calls within 24 hours. Also, you can send the application form via WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is 89024966651. Thank you.